This TikTok account has over 179,000 followers, and their videos get millions of views. They're posting in this new historical horror niche, and they're going absolutely viral. They're one of many people that are raking in thousands of dollars from TikTok, and they're doing it in a niche that hasn't exactly blown up yet. Now, the horror niche is popular, but they're putting a viral twist on their videos to make themselves stand out that we're going to be copying today. I'll then also show you exactly how to automate this content with AI, so you can tap into this method also. Here's what I made in just a few clicks with this tool.
Turn back if you dare, for strange truths lie ahead. Bright lights and joyous laughter filled the annual festival.
Let's get to work. So we firstly need a list of video ideas. To get these, we want to head to ChatGPT. Once on here, I'll ask the AI for a list of 10 video ideas for a fake historical horror story. Real quick, guys, as you can see, the AI has left us with 10 video ideas that we can use for our video. So I'll go ahead and pick this one about the vanishing monastery for our video. By the way, guys, if you're in a region that isn't supported by the creativity program, then check out the accounts in this video's description. Let's now go ahead and turn our idea into an actual video. In order to do this, we need to head to this new AI tool called AI Cut. As you can see, this AI tool can literally create all sorts of content, so it's the best all-in-one tool for automating every TikTok niche you can imagine. So head to the tool using the link in the Google Doc. Once you're on here, head to the Create tab and these options will come up. The tool has many different options, but we want to go ahead and hit the AI image story option. Once you've done that, you can see that we're now creating our video. So we need to go ahead and fill in some details to generate our video. First, we need a script. You can paste your own script into the text box, but I'll show you how easily the tool generates a viral script for us. Click Generate Script, and on the next page, select a prompt from the drop-down menu. I'll choose Scary Story for this example, but there are tons of options, so you'll never run out of ideas. After selecting the prompt, paste the video idea we got from ChatGPT. Adjust the video duration to be over 1 minute so it's not a short. I'll choose the 75-second option. Ensure the language is set to English. However, you can post in a different language if you want, and click Generate Script. It'll take a moment, but as you can see, the tool has created a complete script we can use. You can tweak it however you want. Once the script is ready, go to the Video tab. The first step here is to adjust the video ratio to 9:16, making it perfect for TikTok. Now there's this option to make the images move here. I've showcased this in a previous video, however I'm gonna leave it off for this example. Below this section, you'll find the style options. There are 6 styles, each with a unique look. I'll pick the ultra-realistic style for this video, as I think it'll be the best for horror. Don't forget to enable the sound effects option to make the video more engaging. Next, customize the captions. There are several styles to choose from. Personally, I like the tilted captions and the glow captions best, but feel free to use whichever style you prefer. Now it's time to work on the voiceover. The tool allows you to preview different voices by clicking the play button next to each one. You can choose between OpenAI voices and 11 Labs voices. I personally love the quality of 11 Labs voices, so I'll stick with that option. If needed, you can also adjust the voice speed, but I'll leave it at the default setting for now. After trying out a few voices, I'll choose this one that I found here, as it is deep, and it'll go well for a horror video. The final step is adding background music. The tool, called AI Cut, includes a library of built-in music tracks. You can preview each track, just like the voices. Once you find a track that fits your video's vibe, select it, then click Create Video. The tool will process everything, which takes a few minutes. Once it's ready, I'll skip ahead to the finished video. As you can see, the final product includes all the settings we used in the AI tool. If you're happy with the result, scroll down and click Download. That's it. Your video is complete.
As families reveled in the familiar merriment. However, amidst the festivities, a spectral structure emerged, the elusive vanishing monastery. The air turned unnaturally cold, yet curiosity magnetized families toward its chilling facade. Hymns, haunting and sorrowful, echoed from within, pulling them deeper, entrancing yet eerie. Chilling fascination turned to horror as children ventured forth, swallowed by the monastery's strange embrace. Moments stretched to lifetimes, but soon the children emerged, altered, grown beyond their years. Their eyes.
That's all for today's tutorial. If you're interested in learning more about monetizing this kind of content, join my school community. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.